start பண்ணுங்க.
In this class, we are going to see about the operations performed on a shaping machine. So this instrument we call it as a shaping machine. Here we have a ram. The ram is fixed to the tool head. This you call it as a tool head. So clapper box we call it as. So here this is the tool holder which is fixed to the tool post, and here we have a tool called single point cutting tool. Because only one cutting edges will be there, so this you call it as a single point cutting tool. This one you call it as a clapper box. Tool is fixed to the clapper box, and here forward is a cutting stroke and reverse is a idle stroke. Here you have a handle which is used to give the depth of cut to the tool. The tool here is fixed to the ram which moves forward and reverse direction. The ram is operating by based on a crank and slaughter link mechanism, where you can see the crank and slaughter link mechanism. You have a crank, this is a slaughter link, so that based on the movement of the slaughtered link, you can see the movement. Okay. So this lever is used to adjust the distance of this ram. By moving this lever to different position, you can set the distance traveling of this ram. So tool distance can be moved by adjusting this lever. And this is called as a vise, which is used as a work holding device. You can use, as we have seen, we can use chucks to hold this workpiece, or you can use jigs and fixtures to hold this workpiece. Here we use a bench vise to hold this workpiece. This is called as a vise. You can rotate this handle and you can release this workpiece, and you can fix the workpiece by adjusting this handle. Here you have a handle. This handle is used to move the table in a longitudinal direction, so that the table will be moving forward, or it can be moved in a reverse. So this is what forward and reverse. And here there is an handle. The other handle is here to move the table up and down, so that you can move the height of this work table up and down. So now this forward stroke you call it as a cutting stroke, and reverse stroke you call it as a idle stroke. You can give the depth of cut here. So tool depth can be given here. You can see the tool movement. So tool can be moved. So by rotating the handle, you can move the tool up and down, so that you can give the depth of cut here. Now when machine is being on, you can see this. So now when you rotate it, here. So now you can see the material removal. So by using this arrangement, you can machine this round bar to square. You can machine dovetail operations, square operations, round to square, or round to hexagonal. So based on the type of workpiece which you need to machine, you can adjust this tool post. Here you have two bolts, and you can release this, and you can tilt this tool head in an angular position, so that you can machine the dovetail. And this is the instrument which is used to medium sized objects. Medium sized workpiece can be measured by using this shaper. Thank you.